Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money on Revolut without a link. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to send money on Revolut without a link, you can simply add the recipient to your contact list and then send the money simply. You can also send money by searching for the recipient's phone number or rave tag while you're trying to send money. So to send money, all you have to do is open up the app, sign in, and go to add money to your account. Go to the payments on the bottom menu, then you have to tap new. When you tap on the new in the top right corner, you're going to search the person whom you would like to send by their number or their Revolut tag, aka the rave tag. Once you have found the person, go ahead, tap on the person and then add them as well. Now once you have found the person, you're going to enter the amount you want to send and then simply have to confirm the transaction. That's it. That's how easy it is to do so. Make sure to add the person in your contact if they have not, and otherwise make sure to receive their rave tag to find them easily. That's how you can send money without a link. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.